Okay, hi guys. Once again, I'm just going to show you quickly how to take the paper off of your rock once it's been adhered with Mod Podge and dried. The steps will be outlined in whatever blog post you find this on. You can also find links to how I got to this point in this rock design in the description box below. The videos should be clearly outlined, step 1, 2, 3, and 4, whatever, so that you can create a similar design. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below and I'll be happy to get back to you. So with that, I'm just going to show you quickly how freezer paper works, or how I take the paper off of my design. So all I do really is just make sure the ink is transferred by lifting the corner, and I'm just going to pull it off gently, and basically all I did was make like a rub-on transfer. And I added these flowers that I cut out and printed onto freezer paper. I added them to the outline or the outside edges of my rock because I wanted to add some depth and color to the rock. And that's basically all I did. I wet the paper on the opposite side with just regular water and let it seep in and dry a couple of times. And now I'm rolling the paper off or just peeling it back. I think I'm going to do another step not on video, but I'm just going to add water to this. And I'll show you how the colors pop when I do so. And I'm going to roll more paper off because there's still like another layer. If you can see it, it's not really that clear. It's still a little fuzzy. So with each time you do this, so I'm just going to add some water. And you can see how the color pops through. And once this dries, I'm just going to take my finger and roll off the rest of the paper. With each application of the water, another layer of paper will come off, usually. So paper is pretty thick. I mean, you wouldn't really think that just by looking at it, but most computer paper is actually 7 layers thick, from what I understand. It's got something stuck in there. Okay, so that's all I'm going to do. And again, if you have any questions, please let me know. And don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video, and hit the bell notification to be notified when I upload more videos on crafts, and especially painting, rock painting. I do all sorts of crafts and I try to upload every week. So I hope you'll join my channel by subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.